Brioscaí. Bhí mommy sa chistin. Gaeilge sí na páistí. A páistí! Thug sí package Brioscaí as an gofra. Duscail sí an package. Tháinig na páistí isteach sa chistin. Boo! San na páistí. Lame mommy. Hit na Brioscaí an urlór. Hí mommy síos ag an mórt. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Oh, nílam. Bhí Gordo ina chola. Gúisigh sé. De Gordo na Brioscaí. Is my lum Brioscaí. Thug nasa package Brioscaí nua as an gofra. Thug nasa cupán té do wami. Dole mommy an cupán té. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Oh, Tom. Ansin scúb rosa an turlór. Thusig Gordo ag tafan, thusig mommy agus na páistí ag goire. Okay, the title of this story is Brioscaí Biscuits. Now, bhí mommy sa chistin. So mommy was in the kitchen, in the kitchen. Gaeilge sí na páistí. She called the páistí. She called the children. Children, she says. Thug sí package Brioscaí. So thug means took. She took a packet of Brioscaí, a packet of biscuits, as an gofra, out of the cupboard. Duscail sí an package. She opened the package, the packet. Tháinig na páistí isteach. So the children came in sa kitchen, into the kitchen. Boo san na páistí. So they frightened mummy. And then lame mummy. Mummy jumped. Hit na Brioscaí an urlór. So the biscuits fell. Hit means fell on the urlór, on the floor. So he mummy síos ag an mórt. Mummy sat at the table. And the children asked, An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Are you okay? And mummy says, Oh, nílam, I'm not. Bhí Gordo in a culla. Gordo was sleeping. And gúisigh sé. He woke. Gordo ate the biscuits. And he says, Is málam Brioscaí, I like biscuits. Thug nasa package Brioscaí nua. So nasa took a packet of biscuits, a new packet of biscuits. Nua means new. As an gofra, out of the cupboard. Thug nasa cupán té do wami. Nasa gave a cup of tea to mommy. Dole mommy an cupán té. Mommy drunk the cup of tea. And the children asked, An bhfuil tú ceart go leor? Are you okay? And mummy says, Oh, Tom. Tom means I am. Then, ansin is then, scúb Rosa an turlór. Rosa brushed the floor. Thusig Gordo ag tafan. So Gordo started ag tafan, which means barking. Thusig mommy started, and the children started ag goire, started laughing.